And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. Once again, we had lots of clouds for today, a rather cloudy, gloomy Sunday, though we did see some breaks in the clouds earlier this afternoon for the lower valley. That allowed the temperatures to warm up just a bit more into the 60s after a couple of days of very chilly, wet weather. It was drier for today in the afternoon and some peaks of sun. But the clouds will continue for tonight into most of tomorrow. We may have a bit of sun for tomorrow, but overall mostly cloudy for your Monday. But tonight the temperatures will hover into the upper 50s, and there is still a slight chance for some spotty showers. So if you're going to be outside for tonight, the umbrella is not a bad idea, just in case. Temperatures right now in the upper 50s in Weslaco, 61 in McAllen, 55 in Rio Grande City, 63 in Raymondville, and 63 in Harlingen and Brownsville. Here's your evening planner forecast. A stray shower possible at 7 p.m. The temperatures won't dip all that much or change all that much overnight. They should hover in the upper 50s overnight for most spots. Cloudy skies at 9 p.m. Again, a slight chance of a shower. 57 degrees at 11 o'clock tonight. Now again, tonight, overnight into Monday morning, there is, much like this morning, a good chance for that patchy fog. Could be dense at times, so when you're driving, especially tomorrow morning before school or work, please do be careful on the roadways. Look at the temperatures right now. It's a cool Sunday afternoon and evening for the Lone Star State. 52 in San Antonio, 63 in Houston, 50 in Longview, 67 in McAllen, or Midland, I should say, 47 in Amarillo, and 61 degrees in McAllen. On the surface map, we have one warm front draped over the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to move to the north. Our winds will start to shift toward the southeast and south here in the valley. We still have the upper level low out west. We have those southwesterly winds at the upper levels, helping to give the cloud cover over the southern and eastern portion of the state. And here's one front draped over West Texas. So here's future track. Watch as this warm front pushes northward through the Texas Gulf Coast. We're going to keep in a slight chance for some showers tomorrow. There's still enough instability to give us a slight chance for some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm for Monday. But after several days of cool, even chilly weather, it is going to warm up nicely for Monday through Thursday and Friday. One front, a cold front, which is a weak one, comes in on Tuesday, so there's not much of a cool down behind it. The temperatures are still in the 70s behind it for our Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty warm for Thursday and humid. Now, the models have flip-flopped on the timing of that second front. Yesterday, we were talking about a stronger cold front coming in by Friday. It looks like it may be a little bit later, perhaps by early Saturday morning when that second front comes in. And even behind that, the models don't think it may be as cold as expected for Saturday and for Sunday. So at this point, we're going to anticipate temperatures in the upper 50s for Saturday behind that second front, and then lower 60s for Sunday. And then maybe another front should arrive at or after Christmas next week, giving us finally that much chillier weather with temperatures perhaps into the 40s. But again, that is still 8 days away, and the models could very well change again. Winds out of the east to southeast on the water, 5 to 10 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 8:32 tomorrow morning, and the seas are 3 to 5 feet. So for tonight, beware of patchy fog overnight into tomorrow morning. A spotty showers possible. Low temperatures dip into the upper 50s. Then for tomorrow, patchy fog in the morning. A slight chance of a shower or storm. We'll put in a 20% chance of some spotty showers or thunderstorms tomorrow, but milder with a high temperature of 74. Here's that 7-day forecast. We're back to 80 degrees on Tuesday, 77 Wednesday, 80 on Thursday, 76 Friday, and I've upped the temperatures a bit for Friday, now 76 degrees. Behind that second front, at this point, we're going to call for temperatures in the upper 50s on Saturday and lower 60s for next Sunday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Brandon